So without wasting much of your time, today's video I'm going to be teaching you how to get your 4,000 watch hours very fast in a quick way. If you have been thinking on how to get your 4,000 watch hours and YouTube just changed its monetization requirements, as of now YouTube has increased the number of watch hours that we need to achieve in order for us to get our monetization requirements. But don't panic, in this video I'll be teaching you how to get your watch hours very fast. So you're going to click on your Chrome browser. When you click on your Chrome browser like this, when you go to your Chrome browser, you are going to type YouTube Studio Dashboard. When you click on YouTube Studio Dashboard, you are going to long press like this and you take open in new tab. When you take open in new tab, you are going to come right here and click like this. When you open a new tab, it's going to take you straight to the channel in which you want to increase your watch hours. So when you've gone to your channel dashboard, you're going to come at the top right of your channel. You'll find these three icons here. The first one has an arrow, which is an upload arrow. The second one is for you to go live, and the third one is for you to write anything. So you're going to click on this one, on the one in the middle. So when you click on it, in this interface, you are going to see get set up live stream now. Don't worry, you will have a chance to review settings before you're live. So you are going to click on the second one that says schedule a stream for a later time. You can even set it up ahead of time. So we are going to be going live and I'll be showing you, don't panic. So you are going to click on the second one. When you click on the second one, you click again on streaming software. When you click on streaming software, you are going to come right at the top left of your screen of your phone where you have stream webcam manage. You are going to click on stream. So when you click on stream, you have an interface like this. You are going to zoom it. You zoom it for us to see. When you are going to zoom it now, so when you come to this interface, what we want to do here, we want to obtain a streaming key. But for now, I'll be telling you what next to do. We are going to pause here. You minimize like this and go to your Play Store. If you are using an Android phone, you go to your Play Store. When you go to Play Store, you are going to type live now. You are going to type live now and download the streaming app that we are going to be using to get our 4,000 watch hours. So if you are thinking of taking YouTube very serious, you need to get your 4,000 watch hours before 2026 comes to an end, because as of 2027, YouTube has increased the number of watch hours to 8,000 watch hours. So when you've downloaded the app, live now, you are going to open it. When you open it, you click on open, click next. So when you have downloaded the Live Now app, you're going to have an interface like this. So you can use this app to actually go live on different platforms. You can use it for YouTube, Facebook, Twitch, TikTok, Twitter, and even RTMP. But for the purpose of this video, I'll be showing you how to go live on YouTube with this particular app. So you're going to click on YouTube. When you click on YouTube, remember we want to obtain a streaming key for us to be able to go live with our channel. So you're going to click on log into YouTube. Email address of the channel that you want to go live with. So you're going to click on log into YouTube. When you click on log into YouTube, remember to be precise, you are using the email of the channel you want to go live with. So you are going to choose the email address of that particular channel you're about to go live with. You click on the email. You enter the password of the set channel. So when you put in the password of your channel, you click on next. When you click on next, you are going to have an interface like this. Choose an account. So you are going to choose the account that has the email address you want to go live for your channel. So when you click on that particular email address, you are going to scroll up and click continue. When you click on continue, it's going to take you directly to the channel that you want to go live with. So when you have an interface like this, you are going to click on this plus sign. Now, particular channel that we want to go live with, you're going to create an event. Remember, and in order for us to do this, you will need to prepare a video, a very catchy and interesting video, that when you are going to go live with that particular video, you're going to have an audience that is going to be watching the video. And remember, for this particular process, you can do it faceless. You don't need to be online, you don't need to be there for you to go live. So you are going to click on event title, depending on the choice of the video you want to live stream with. For example, if you are going in for AI study, if you are going for a tutorial, you are going to give the title of that particular video. You are going to give it the title here. So I can say, I can give a random title like this, the dancing baby. The dancing baby. So you can describe the video you want to go live with, and you can also do a custom thumbnail for you to be able to, so that you can increase the chances for which your video is going to be viewed by your audience. So if you want to go live now, so after you've done a customized thumbnail, remember the channel, I'm sure, is not for kids. Then you can schedule the time that you want to go live with that particular video. If you want it to go live now, you can continue. But if you want to create a particular time in which you're going to live stream, you can set up the dates. You click on start time. You click on it like this. When I click on start time, today is the 14th of August, I click on OK because I want to go live today. When I click on OK, if I want to go live now, I'm going to maintain the time. But if I don't want to go live now, I can actually choose a particular time in which I'm going to schedule my video for it to live stream. Then I click on OK. But for the purpose of this video, I'll do it because I'm going live now. You set it to public, and then you click on create. So when you click on create, it's going to take you to this particular interface. Remember, the title of my video I named earlier was the dancing baby. So when you come to this interface, you have stream camera, screen broadcast, video. Because we want to go live with our video, I'm going to click on video. So when you click on video, then you click next. So when you click on video, remember the video that you want to go live with must not be longer than 60 minutes. It must not be longer than a 60-minute video. When you've done that, you click on next. When you click on next, it's going to take you to your gallery. When it takes you to your gallery, you are going to click on the video that you want to live stream with. Remember, the video has to be a very catchy video that is going to attract a valuable audience and give you the watch time that you actually need. So I'm going to pick up a random video like this. When I pick up a video like this, I click on done. Now when you come to this interface, what you are going to do here for you to be able to go live, so you see this icon here at the top left of your phone. You are going to click on it. When you click on it, it's going to make your video to be repeatable. That means when you live stream, when you go live with your video, whenever the video will play and stop, it's going to be played repeatedly. When you click on that icon and you come and click on start now, and that is it, you have gone live. So you can actually use this particular process to achieve the 8,000 watch hours that YouTube has now brought for us to be able to achieve our monetization requirements. You can do this repeatedly. You can even keep it at night and you allow it to live stream the whole night. This particular method is going to increase your watch hours. Remember, you have to be consistent.